Hey Professor, this is Amal Mire. So this is the first question. Write a function, multicolored square. This is a function t size, color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4 that has total t. Draw a square of size sz size that has sides colored color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4. The total test pen size has been previously set to 5 sample run. So we're going to call this function. No, we are going to define this function. So first, let me start from the top. We are going to import the turtle library. I just made this comment so that I could understand better. Then we are going to open the turtle screen, make a window, open a window with a turtle library. Then make the screen color light green. Then we call turtle, then set the pen size to 5. So for number 1, we define the function that we're given in the question. Just take it from here and keep it here. Then we create a for loop. This is the for loop for each color C, for each color in like color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4. The turtle has to change color. It has to change the color from red to green to blue to magenta and go forward size and turn left 90. So this is the for loop for C in color 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to keep tests like this variables inside the for loop because we want it like to go for each color, like each time when it's color yellow, like color red, it goes forward size and goes left 90. So they have to be in the for loop. Then t forward size and t left 90. Then we call this function that we're given here. T is test, size is 150, color 1 is red, color 2 is green, color 3 is blue, color 4 is magenta. And that is it for, let's try running this. This is it, like the others are for number 2 and number 3. Okay.